Hello everyone, today I will share 3 uncommon words with their meaning and example. Let's start. Example number 1, salipawpaw. It means airplane. Example, lumilipad ang salipawpaw sa himpapawid. Number 2 example, duyog. It means solar eclipse. Example, nagtakip ang buwan sa araw kaya nagkaroon ng duyog. Example number 3, marahuyo. It means enchanted or amazed. Example, marahuyo ako sa ganda ng tanawin sa bundok. That's it. 3 uncommon Filipino words that you can use in sentence. Thank you for watching and don't forget like and share to my channel. See you next time.